overdose, baby, know your love is a drug. And even though it for me, you know I can never get enough. Go ahead and buy my wrist so you can finally turn me up into a vampire. A vampire, know your blow would get me so high. Like 4 times, fuck you stronger, I'm on standby. For any time that you won't call me, you so damn fly. Damn mind, when you coming up on this side, on this side. I can give you what you want, we just gotta make up. I'm already out on front, so we get your makeup. I already got some plans for the rest of saying none. Cause you know that we ain't never going back to day one. I told him I'm a big spender, I'll be spending what I got like I got no business. I'm already on top of that. They gon' walk like me, gon' talk like me. How they say they don't play my shit. Shawty gon' talk like me, be a boss like me. And we both gon' drive the same whip. You ain't been broke like me, had smoke like me. Been down but I'm on my shit. Better get on like me, got my gold white tee. How the fuck did we get like this? Overdose, baby, know your love is a drug. And even though it's for me, you know I can never get enough. Go ahead and buy my wrist so you can finally turn me up into a vampire. A vampire, know your blow would get me so high. Like 4 times, fuck you stronger, I'm on standby. For any time that you won't call me, you so damn fly. Damn mind, when you coming up on this side, on this side. I'm a big spender, I'm a big spender. I be spending what I got like I got no business. I try to tell him from the start, but man, he don't listen. Like go bigger. Told him I'm a big spender. Told him I'm a big spender. I be spending what I got like I got no business. I try to tell him from the start, but man, he don't listen. Like go bigger. I can't do this on my own, but I gotta elevate. It don't matter what it takes, probably be better on my own. But I can't throw you away, never throwing you away. Please take my heart out. Please don't you leave me with goodbye.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the video. As you guys can tell, my day has been pretty eventful and cleaning up this garage and you know, kind of making it my own and organizing it a little bit. I just wanted to, you know, update you guys and, you know, show y'all what I've been up to. And you know, I got 2 garages here, and this one is going to be the main bay for the car. As you can tell, got my all my stuff set up there with the drawers. I paid like 50 bucks for this at Harbor Freight. It's pretty tough. I feel like I could put, you know, some heavy stuff on there. So, you know, I just got all my paints right here, some oil, my detailing stuff, extra pair of lights, extra parts down there. And I have these stacked up against the door because this door doesn't open. It shouldn't open, just in case someone's trying to act funny. I don't know if they opened it or not. So yeah, this is the rack right here. You guys are wondering, like 50 bucks. And then this thing you guys saw me putting together was only like 30 bucks. And it's a pretty cool little chair, and I'm gonna use that right now to install some stickers I bought for the center caps. I wanted to show y'all. But yeah, as far as the lighting situation, you guys can tell it's pretty good right there. Those are just regular fluorescent lights. I'm probably gonna switch those out with some LEDs. But as you guys can tell back there, it's pretty dark in here. But you know, like I said, I don't own this. I'm only gonna be here probably for like 9 more months, unless I renew my lease, which I don't know if I am because of inflation. But yeah, I really like it here, and I plan on staying here. I wish I would have signed like a 2-year lease because I got 2 garages and my apartment's pretty nice, the one I live in. But yeah, your boy's just trying to buy a house, making house moves, and you know, money moves. And yeah, man, I mean, that's why I haven't really been uploading lately. I just want to let you guys know that you know, I've been focusing more other than like car shit. I've just been, you know, grinding, saving money, and at the moment it just doesn't make sense for me to, you know, blow money on the car or stuff like that when I'm trying to save. you know, I actually do have some suspension for the car that's just been sitting there. I just haven't had it installed because, again, I don't want to waste money, but I do want to go race this car. You know, I feel like I need an outlet, and all I've been doing is just playing PlayStation, working, hanging out with the girl, and you know, just crashing out and just getting ready for work all over again. But I do have some time on the weekends, so you know, it'll be fun to take this car out, go hit the drag strip somewhere. You know, the drag strip close to me closed because of this whole EPA shit, and it just, you know, it's making it harder and harder on racers, you know. But yeah, man, I definitely want to get back to it. I do have suspension, so you guys can look forward to that. There is gonna be some drag racing. I just don't know at this point how long it's gonna take. Like I said, guys, the only reason why I'm continuing on, you know, doing YouTube, I love YouTube, but at this point in my life right now, it's kind of an inconvenience for me, and it takes, I don't know, man, I don't really have that motivation anymore to be pushing out content, just because, you know, YouTube is so up and down, and you know, the views fucking suck. And the only reason why I'm dropping this video right now is for those guys that are always commenting on my videos like, man, I love your videos, you're my favorite YouTuber and stuff like that. That's the only reason why I'm making this, guys. For you guys are the one that makes me want to keep going, and I don't want to quit YouTube just because, you know, you guys say I'm your favorite YouTuber, which is crazy to me. But you just guys gotta know, like, understand, I'm 22 years old and I'm living on my own, paying everything on my own. You know, I'm just kind of trying to figure out these life moves and these money moves, and you know, just trying to figure out what's best for me. And like right now, I feel like building the car is kind of like something that will drag me down, you know, more than pull me up, because, you know, I've tried this whole YouTube thing, trying to get rich on YouTube, and you know, if it doesn't make money, it doesn't make sense in my opinion. And I told you guys before, this channel brings in anywhere from $80 to $200 a month, and you know, that's, you know, that doesn't really do nothing for me. So if you guys were Patreons, you know, that would help out a ton. I have 2 Patreons. I appreciate you guys. You know, if you guys were on Patreon more, you know, that'd push me more to make better content, more content that's worth. But like this video right here is probably only gonna get like a couple hundred views because it's not directly related to the car. It's not racing the car, you know, nothing like that. So yeah, I just wanted to update you guys. I might be doing a video on changing the lights out in the garage. Let me know if you guys are down to see that. I might add a little section of light right there because there's a plug right there. So I can probably hang a light right there, do an extension cord, and then boom, this whole thing will be set up just in case we have to do some work on the car, which you know, I don't really plan on doing, like I said, because I don't have the time. Like I said, sometimes I have time on the weekends, and that is to relax, hang out with the girlfriend, you know, do personal things. I don't want to, you know, be wasting my time working on a car and busting my back more after I just got done with the work week. So yeah, I mean, I make money so I could pay someone to do the car. You know, I really don't want to, you know, start doing that when I could just pay someone to do it. I know it saves money, but I don't want to be breaking my back on the weekends when I could just be resting up and just getting ready for the next work week. So yeah, I hope you guys understand. And for my OGs, for my guys that love the channel, love watching me do what I do, I appreciate you guys. And it's always in the back of my head, like, I'm not gonna lie, I've been thinking about quitting YouTube. It's just because, like I said, at this point in time, it's kind of an inconvenience for me. And you know, I wanted to stop. I really don't know, because I'm always gonna do the car shit. You know what I mean? If it's not within, if I don't do the drag strip stuff now, I probably will in a year or so. I'm not saying it will take me a year, but at this point, I'm just trying to save money, trying to figure out what this economy is doing, looking into buying a house, and you know, stuff like that. I'm just, you know, more focused on that instead of this car shit. And yeah, I mean, I'm glad I could bring you guys this video, updating you on the garage, where everything's going down at. I have the truck in my other garage, and yeah, having really fun, you know, doing the truck stuff. I haven't done anything to this car or the truck. That's why you guys haven't seen anything. But yeah, I mean, I'm you know, satisfied with what I've done so far. I just want to do the light situation in here because it's kind of crappy. But like I said, guys, this is the garage, and I appreciate you guys, you know, tuning in for my OGs and for my guys that turn in every single video. You know, this video is for you guys. Just a little life update. Alright guys, before we end this one, I wanted to answer some questions. I put up a little Q&A on my Instagram. If you guys aren't on Instagram, follow me at Fourpointsixchris. I do update pretty frequently on there, so if I'm not on YouTube, I am on there. So I've got a question from 5.0_Brian, 4.6 or 302, 46 all the way. My girlfriend said, when are we going to eat? We just ate. 091504, which RPM do you launch your digs at, bro? On the street, 3,500. At the track, 5 grand. Tristan, we got a question from Tristan. Coyote swap or fully built 2-valve? In my opinion, fully built 2-valve is different, but Coyote swap, for the price and for the money, you will get more out of a Coyote swap, more power, and you don't have to build a Coyote to make the power the fully built 2-valve is gonna make. So yeah, big freaking dumpster. I'm feeling lift on the front end starting at 95 plus. Any advice? I don't know what you mean by that. Like the front end's lifting up the ground. Might have to get some wings for it. Horseplay motor and favorite cereal, Fruity Pebbles or Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Yeah, those are my favorite. Edgar never slips, never SLPs. Is supercharger safer than nitrous? All boost is depending on your tune, on your setup, fueling wise and everything like that. As far as safer, you know, I can't really tell you yes or no because it just depends on the setup. So I would say they're equally, you can blow up your shit with both. Nathan LASKY, when you Coyote swap, you do a nitrous, supercharger, or turbo? Most likely when this car has a Coyote in it, it'll probably be on nitrous for a while until we save up for a centrifugal, because that's what I want on this car. So it would have a Vortec or a Paxton, so it will be supercharged or nitrous, one of the two. And Josh Hendricks said, still doing the Yodi swap. And yes, I want to do the Coyote swap, guys. Like I said though, it's all in the money. I have the money right now for the Coyote swap, but I'm just gonna save it to do further and future endeavors on, you know, my living situation, because I don't want to be in an apartment for the rest of my life. I don't want to be 30 and without a home. So yeah, we're focused on getting a house right now. So the Coyote swap is pretty expensive, and unless I could do a complete Coyote swap for $3,000, I probably won't do it. I'm gonna do it right, and it's probably gonna cost me 10 or 11 grand. And this car will have a nice Coyote in it and run badass. So for right now, guys, we're just gonna focus on the 2-valve platform, throwing the suspension in, doing a little bit more things and that we need to do to it, because we need to do a rear seat delete, we need to do a battery tie down kit, and we need to do some other stuff before we can make it to the track. I think the ball joints are going out again on this car because it's popping. So we probably need to do ball joints. I need to fix my steering rack issue. You know, we just need to do a lot of things before this car is race ready. And I'm not gonna go out there and kill myself if the ball joint breaks off this car. So we're gonna do all that first, and then, you know, we will head back to the track. But that's coming soon, guys. If you guys enjoyed this one, please drop a thumbs up for your boy. Hit that subscribe button down below, and we will see you guys on the next one. It's your boy 4.6 Chris. Peace out, man.